The specter of the shutdown of American federal government institutions looms on Monday, just 4 months after the country approached a catastrophic default on its debts, which would have had dire consequences for the economy in the United States and abroad. It is expected that the effects of the closure will begin to appear by the end of the week after the Republicans, who have a majority in the House of Representatives, were unable to approve a set of draft laws that determine departmental budgets for the next fiscal year following a vote by extremists in the party demanding a significant reduction in spending against these projects. The White House warned Monday that funding would be cut off for 7 million people, including women and children. After right-wing Republicans in Congress obstructed efforts to approve the budget, millions of Americans are preparing Monday for salaries and social benefits to stop within days, as things in Congress move towards closing government institutions. 4 months after avoiding a catastrophic debt default, the world's largest economy is once again on the brink of crisis, with the effects of the lockdown expected to begin to appear at the end of the week. A closure would jeopardize the financial resources allocated to workers at national parks, museums, and other federally funded sites, and could have serious political repercussions for Biden as he seeks to win a second term in the 2024 elections. The White House warned Monday that 7 million people who depend on the Food Assistance for Women and Children program may be cut off from funding. A presidential spokesman said in a statement that women and children will soon be unable to buy their needs from grocery stores due to a closure caused by extremist Republicans, pointing to the depletion of the federal emergency fund within a few days and the limited financial resources of several states to operate the food aid program for women and children. The crisis resulted from the refusal of Republicans in the House of Representatives for the government to move forward with spending based on the levels agreed upon between Biden and House Speaker Kevin McCarthy, the Republican leader in Congress. In addition, another thorny issue is the request for additional aid for Kyiv, after Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky visited Congress last week and requested more weapons to fight Russian forces in the war that has been raging for 18 months. Both parties in the Senate support the $24 billion aid bill. But a group of hardline Republicans in the House of Representatives threatens to block the approval of any financing measures, including aid. A post by former President Donald Trump on his Truth Social platform on Sunday night said, "If you don't get everything, shut it down," referring to federal institutions.